Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving work and rebooting the Chromebook to clear transient GPU glitches. Once done, disconnect any external monitor, dock, or USB-C adapter so you isolate the internal display. Next, open Settings, go to Device then Displays to inspect mode and layout. This is where duplicate or mirrored outputs show. Do this because a fresh boot plus a clean hardware state removes most software-level duplicates and gives you a reliable starting point for the next adjustments. Now you fix the double output by changing settings. Toggle mirror displays off to force a single active display, or toggle it on if you actually want duplication. Once you change that, select each listed screen and set resolution and refresh rate to match. Mismatched rates can create a perceived double image. If an extra screen still appears, use Detect Displays or plug external devices back in one at a time to identify which device is broadcasting. This isolates the offending source quickly. Finish by updating Chrome OS and then restarting. Updates often fix graphics driver and compositor bugs that cause double screens. If the problem persists, reset display settings or perform a power wash as a last resort. Make sure you back up data first, because power wash erases the profile. If still unresolved, sign into a different user account or connect a known good external monitor to determine whether the issue is profile-specific, hardware-related, or tied to a particular accessory, and proceed from there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.